Hey there, it's Angela Wills here from marketersmojo.com, and what I want to do right now is show you how to create a post in your new WordPress blog. So where we are right now is inside the dashboard of my own blog at Marketers Mojo, and what I want to show you at first is we're just going to go over how to create a post. So here we are in the dashboard, and you'll see down the right hand side there's all these options, and when you hover there's a little arrow, and that arrow brings a drop down menu to any of these options. What we want to focus on right now is posts. What you want to do is create a blog post. So that's what it's called posts. And so we're going to we can click on posts, and what happens when we do that is it shows a list of different posts. Now you're going to see right here that I've been doing a little bit of testing, playing around with creating this video actually before I did it, and I've got 2 tests here. So I'm going to actually delete those so you can see an example of how to delete a post before you see how to create one. Just because I'm going to just delete these and then do another couple of tests. So when you click on posts, you will see all of the posts showing up that you do have in your blog. So if you already have some posts, they will be showing up right here. And you can even edit, quick edit, delete, or view. I'm not sure why this one didn't delete. Let's try that again. You're about to delete this, so we'll click OK. Oh, there we go. An error. I think that's because it's already deleted, but it's not actually showing up as being deleted. There you go. You get to see a little bug. But usually WordPress works really well. And so right now you can see the posts that are showing up. And what we're going to do is go ahead and add a new post. So click Posts, Add New. And right here is where you will create your posts. So this is the subject, this big bar right across the top here. Oops. The bar right across the top is your subject of your post. So what you want to do is just type in your subject there, and usually it should be keyword related, or it needs to be very user friendly, very readable. It's something that catches people's attention, much like a headline of a new page that you might create. So once you do that, I just want you to notice something. This shows up after you write your subject. It's called a permalink, and what it is, this permalink right here, this line right here, is what the page that will be created for your post. So this is where anyone would go to find that post. If they want to go to your website and go directly to the post, this is going to be the address of the post. So right here in this big box that you see right here, below all of these different little tabs and buttons, you will see the area where you will write your post. So you can write your blog post here. So this is where you want to write your post, and you can go ahead and do that. You can add images, you can highlight. Let me show you how to highlight. You just put your mouse over, highlight it all, and click the bold. And you can change colors of certain words if you would like. There's all kinds of different options here. You want to be careful because it is a visual editor, so sometimes it may not do exactly what you want it to do. So what you see in the bar, in the screen right here, you will want to preview on your website so you can see the look of it. Just typing in a couple of things, you can see you can do bullets, and there's a spell check here that you can use. There's also, you can also align the words to a different side if you wanted to write a line or center. You can do that. You can underline. It works very much like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word. If you were to use Microsoft Word, it would look very similar in many of the different things you can do with it. This arrow here will allow you to undo something. You can also put something, indent it. So I'll just try this to show you. We just move that in a little bit. That's what the indent does. And then you can also do a numbered list. Different things like that. So you have to be careful if you do indent and then you want it to go back, you'll have to push it that way. Just kind of showing you what you can do with it. Basically, you don't really want to paste into Word. If you're writing a post, you don't want to paste something right into here, because what can happen is the coding can get messed up. It can mess up your WordPress post. So you'll want to create your posts right in here. That's the best thing you can do, which will allow you to make sure it looks the way you want it to look. So this is showing you right here the post area, but let me also show you other things that would be going along with that. This is actually a plugin. It's the all-in-one SEO pack. That's an option you can have on your blog, and if you want to use that, you can create a different title than what your subject is. And the title is what shows up. If you look on your web page right now, there's a blue bar right across the very top. Whether you're in Internet Explorer or Firefox, there's a blue bar right across the top, and it will have words, and that would be your title. So you can create a different title if you want it to be different from your subject, and your description can be what shows up in the search engines. So that's what this SEO pack will help you do. And also you can target your keywords, so you can write those in here. Basically, if you choose keywords, there's no guarantee you're going to get found in the search engine for those, but it will be a good reminder to you what you're targeting. Now, let's start at the top on this right side. So very important is this publish section here. You want to make sure you become familiar with this, because this is going to allow you to publish your posts. So what you can do is save a draft, or you can preview, or you can publish. So just let me show you what happens if you hit publish. Actually, I won't publish it, because what will happen is people will get a tweet, and because it is my blog, I've set it up so that once I do a post, it tweets it automatically to Twitter. So if I do publish right now, everybody's going to see this, and they're going to see a silly post that makes no sense. So I won't do that, but I'll show you a preview, which will show you pretty much what it looks like. So there's not much here right now, but this is just what shows up when you do a preview. So you want to make sure you do look at it in the preview to make sure it is how you would like it. So then you work within the area here to create what you want, and you can save the draft, you can publish, or you can preview. A great feature is this right here where it says publish immediately. You can just leave that the way it was right there, or you can hit this edit. See it, edit right there? Just click that, and then you can set a date, any date you want. You know, I could publish this for December 31st of 2009. Click OK, and it is scheduled. But if it's scheduled, you still need to hit schedule. It's not ready to go out until you hit this button. So if you schedule it and then you save it, it's not going to go out on December 31st until I hit schedule. That's just a little tip. Then you will have categories created. So you want to make sure you select the categories. So if it's internet marketing, you just check it. Check the boxes of what is the proper category. And finally, just to really quickly, I'll just tell you about post tags. And if you have a plugin installed, you can use post tags to relate different posts to each other. Just let me show you how that works. So if I type in, just say internet marketing here as my tag, when I go and I look at a post on my blog, it will say related posts here, and anything that is also tagged with internet marketing will show up right here. So those are just a few quick features of how to use a post in WordPress. And let me know if you have any questions. marketersmojo.com, and I'm Angela Wills. Bye for now.